Let us look at proposition number 6 of book 9 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says, if a number multiplied by itself makes a cubic number, then it itself is also a cubic number. Okay, let's see how we can prove this. So we are given a number A multiplied by itself makes a cubic number B. What we have to show is that A is a cubic number. So we can say B is equal to A times A. And here B is a cubic number. Now let C be equal to A times B. Then we know that C is a cubic number. So how do we know that it is a cubic number? Remember, A is multiplied by A, yes, to give us B. So B times A would be a cubic number. Now A measures B based on the units in A, but unit also measures A based on the units in A. So which means we can write it as a proportion. These two statements combined, we can write it as a proportion saying unit is to A is equal to A is to B. B measures C based on the units in A, but we have already seen unit also measures A based on the units in A. So these two statements, we can write it as a proportion. Unit is to A as B is to C. Here if you notice, unit is to A is equal to A is to B. Unit is to A is equal to B is to C. So that means A is to B is equal to B is to C. Here B and C are cubes. B is a cubic number and C is a cube. So since here B and C are cubes, that means they are similar solid numbers. And since they are similar solid numbers, we know that two mean proportional numbers between B and C exists. And because of this proportion, A is to B equal to B is to C, we can say two mean proportional numbers between A and B also exists. Between two numbers, if two mean proportional numbers exist, if one of those numbers is a cube, then the other is also a cube. And this we have already proved in one of our previous propositions. So since B is a cube, so is A, which is what we had to prove, that A is also a cube. That is proposition number 6 of book 9 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail with proper references to the previous propositions. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.